Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a traditional Syrian dessert that usually is made during the month of holidays, and it's called Maamoul. Now I'm going to show you how to make several different kinds. One of them is famous in Aleppo, and it's called Karabeej, and it's for the shape of it. And I'm going to show you the walnut stuffed Mamoul and the pistachio stuffed Mamoul. Let's get started. Start out by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup of wheat flour. The wheat flour is going to give it the softness, and then 1 cup of fine semolina. Then add 1 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee and start mixing your dough together. You want to mix this by hand because I've tried mixing it in a mixer and the dough started crumbling and it came out too soft. So the best way to make this is by using your hands. Then I added 1/4 of a teaspoon of active yeast to a cup and added about 2 teaspoons of water just to get it dissolved. And add it on top of your dough and knead your dough again. Then cover your dough with saran wrap and let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours. While my dough is resting, I'm going to get my filling ready. I have here 2 cups of roughly chopped pistachios. I added 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water. I want the texture to be where you can form it into a shape. If you need to add a little bit of orange blossom water or rose water, you can. Then you're going to do the same thing with 2 cups of chopped walnuts, adding 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of each of rose water and orange blossom water. Then you want to start shaping these. I'm going to show you 2 different kinds that I'm going to make today. Now, if you don't have a mold, the traditional Aleppo way, they call these Karabeej. We're going to make them like little fat fingers. And then I'm also making some into circles so I can put it in my mold. Let my dough rest for about an hour. Now I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup, and I'll put the recipe in the link below, 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water, and 1/3 of a cup of ice cold water. I put an ice cube in there so it can stay cold. The reason why I put ice cold water is if it's too warm, the dough is not going to shape up nicely. Give it a good mix and make sure everything gets incorporated together. And now we're going to start shaping. My Maamoul is ready to go in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes or until golden on the bottom. I put it on the bottom rack for the first 10 minutes and then I put it on the top rack for the last 10 minutes. Then sprinkle some powdered sugar on top and dip it in some marshmallow cream sprinkled with some cinnamon.